Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to show you how to patch stucco. Stucco is a masonry product, and you may notice that it's very strong, very durable, but you might have holes or cracks. You can buy a pre-mix stucco patch that can be used both on the interior or exterior. And when you're patching, you're going to use a small trowel or putty knife to apply the stucco into the area that needs to be repaired. Now, the trick in all this is trying to match the texture. So you can do that in a bunch of different ways. You could use a paintbrush to sort of stipple the area if that's what the finish looks like, or you can use a trowel to create texture patterns. So the idea is that you just need to take your time, work in small areas, make sure the area is clean and dry, and there isn't going to be rain overnight. Coming up next, my video on how to drill a hole into stucco.